Namaste. Today I have a question for you people. Welcome to your today's session. We will talk on social accounting. Model number 3 of contemporary issues in accounting. So, as per VSKB curriculum and as per the VSKB question paper, past 4 years question papers, today I will come with VSKB 2019 question paper 10 ORR 5 marks question. This is 5 marks and 10 marks question which is appeared in the last year question paper. Look at this question. From the following information taken from of VSK Limited related to the staff, community and general public. Here 3 interest groups are mentioned in the questions. Social responsibility towards staff, community and general public. It means there are 3 interest group taken for the calculation of social income statement. Prepare a statement classifying the various items under appropriate heads. Here 14 items are there. We have to show a respective head. We have to show in the respective head. Example, here the what the VSK Company Limited, what are the social incentives taken for staff, community and general public. So what are the social incentives took by VSK Limited Company towards different interest groups. Here it means total question theme is these are the 14 items I posted on the whiteboard. It means that this question, these 14 items, this is the question appeared in 2019 question paper 5 and 10 marks. Then the simple thing is, first we have to ascertain where do we show the following 14 items. This is the theme. It is 10 marks or 5 marks. Now properly we shall look at one by one and shown in respective end. When we able to show in respective end, we will get 10 marks or 5 marks. Here look at this, educational facilities. So this is the facilities given by VSK Limited, the company towards the employees, the staff. So this comes under Roman number A, Roman number 1 under A. It means social benefits and cost. Roman number 1, social benefits and cost. Under social benefits and cost, further classification, social benefits and social cost. First we have to show under social benefits under Roman number 1, Roman number 1 under A. So this item should be shown. Under social income statement, there are 3 relating items. The important items. Benefits and cost. Benefits and cost to the staff, benefits and cost to the community, benefits and cost to the general public. There are main 3 Romans are there under under income statement or in income statement. So here social benefit to the staff. Here it means Roman number 1 under A. Roman number 1 under A, social benefits. It should be shown under social benefits under Roman number 1. ORR Roman number 1 under A, social benefits. Next, environmental improvements, rupees 50,000. It comes under social benefits and cost to the community. Social benefits and cost to the community under A of Roman number 2. Social benefits to the community. Social benefits to the community. Next, taxes, duties, etc. paid to the central government. It comes under Roman number 3rd. Social benefits and cost to the public. Third Roman under A, social benefits to the general public. Social benefits to general public. Under Roman number third A point, ORR under A of third Roman. Next, state service consumed electricity service. It should be shown it is a part of a cost or expenditure provided by the state service consumed. I mean, electricity is a expenses, isn't it? So this item is to be shown under social cost to the public. Social cost to the general public. I mean, Roman number 3rd under B. Roman number 3 under B. I mean, social cost to the public. Social cost to the public. It should be shown social cost to the public. Next, canteen facilities. It is usually taken by employees or staff during the manufacturing or during their work hours. So it is comes under Roman number 1 under A. I mean, social benefits to the staff. Next, generation of job potentials. So it is relating to the community or society. So generation of job, I mean community, particular community, not society, on particular community, creation of job potentials towards among communities. So it is comes under social benefits. Social benefits to community. Social benefits to community means Roman number 2 under A. Next, training and career development. To whom training and career development to provide. I mean, to whom the career development and training needs. Usually, it's staff. So it is in the form of benefit. So it is put under Roman number 1 under A. I mean, social benefits to staff. Next, extra hours put by officers voluntarily rupees 88,000. So it should be, I mean, it should be treated as cost because extra hours, I mean OT expense, I mean OT extra payment has to pay a company or business enterprise or business organization or body of individuals, corporate body has to pay extra amount as per the Factories Act 1948. Maximum hours to for working hours for workers of any employees 8 hours. If it exceeds 8 hours, it should be treated as OT. So it is a part of expenditure. So it is to whom the cost of expenditure to pay employees or staff. So that's why it is put on Roman number 1 under B. I mean, social cost to the staff. Social cost to the staff. Next, continue part. Holiday, leave, encashment and leave travel benefits. So it is also part of facilities or benefits to the staff. So it is shown under Roman number 1 under A. Roman number 1 under A means social benefits to the staff. Next, local taxes paid to the panchayat and the municipality rupees 77,000. It is a part of benefits to the society. So panchayat and municipality. So here local taxes. So it is comes under Roman number 2 under A. I mean social benefits to community. Next, central services consumed. I like telephone and postal services. It is purely comes under central government services. So it is a part of telephone and postal charges. These are the expenditures. These are expenditure or expenses. So it is a central service. It seems to be public. So it is an expenditure. I mean cost, social cost to general public. I mean Roman number 3rd under B. Layoff and voluntary termination of rupees 67,000. Layoff usually in the form of a small reduction, stopping, reduction of output or stopping of work of employees. So voluntary termination, if any employee takes voluntary termination from the company has to pay amount towards the employees or staff. That's why it is comes under expenditure or expenses. So it is comes under Roman number 1 under B point, social cost to the staff. Next, housing, township and facilities. Township facilities, rupees 56,000. Here housing means nothing but a quarter facilities for the staff in the township. Like it is a social benefit to the staff. So that's why it puts under Roman number 1 under A. I mean social benefits to the staff. Finally, increase in the cost of living. I mean usually cost of living index increases on housing, rent, food, shelter, etc. So that is a part of expenditure to the company. So it comes under living in the wind city on account of the cement plants or thermal power plants. So it is extra amount has to pay by the company towards the interest groups, interest groups like social cost to the staff under Roman number, not staff, it is community. So it is shown under Roman number 2 under B. So up to this, take down the whole question and follow the answer. You can be able to understand. Look at the whole picture of the question. Okay, this is the question. Then I am going to answer. Look at the presentation. So as per the VSKB 2019 question paper, I have solved on whiteboard. Observe the board. What I have explained, those items I have put in respective head. I have transferred according to their nature of heads. So here look at this social income statement of VSK Limited, particulars rupees. Here first Roman, social benefits and costs and cost to the staff, first Roman under A, social benefits to the staff. These are the benefits I have explained in the question. Look at educational facilities, canteen facilities, training and career development, holiday, leave encashment and leave travel benefits to the staff, 19,000, 99,000, 95,000, 40,000. Next, housing and township facilities, 56,000. So these are the social benefits to the staff under Roman number Roman number 1 under A, social benefits. These are the social benefit to the staff. Next, Roman number 1 under A is over, social benefits and cost is there. Social cost to the staff. Social cost to the staff, Roman number 1 under B. So costs are usually in the form of expenditures or in the form of expenses incurred by the company towards the employees. So here extra hours put by officers, then layoff and voluntary terminations. These are the additional expenses. Additional expenditure have to incurred by the company to the staffs. So these are the social cost. So these are put under social cost, 88,000 plus 67,000. So 1,55,000. According to the question, I have posted the items. In the question, 14 items are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 items is over. So I have posted 14 items in respective heads. Under respective heads. So here these are the items. These total 88,000 plus 67. The total will be 1,55,000. So A minus B. Whether it would be social cost to the staff or social benefit to the staff. So here net social benefits. How it means here? Look at this. A is more than B. So 3,19,000 is more than 1,55,000. So here benefits is more than cost. So here benefits more than cost. Look at this, 3,19,000 minus 1,55,000, A minus B. So net social benefits 1,64,000. It is a favorable balance. Favorable, I mean plus balance. Next, after social benefits and cost to the community, Roman number 2, under A, social benefits to the community. Here staff, under first one social benefit to the staff, but here social benefit to the community. So under social benefit to the community, according to the question or the items which are appeared in the question paper, environmental improvements is usually to the community. So probably it's relative to the community. That's why environmental improves put under Roman number under A of Roman number 2. Under A of Roman number 2. So social benefit to the community 50,000. Next, look at this. Local taxes paid to panchayat and municipality 77,000. It is also comes under social benefits to the community under Roman number 2. Roman number 2. Next, generation of job potentials 18,000. So it is also comes under Roman number 2 under A, means social benefit to the community. Look at this 18,000 plus 77,000 plus 50,000. So 50,000 plus 77,000 plus 18,000 total will be 1,45,000 in bracket A. Next, after finding total benefits to the community, next, what are the social cost to the community under Roman number 2? So social cost to the community is according to the question, I mean which the items which are appeared in the question paper, increase in the CLI, I mean cost of living index in the Wine City. I mean Wine City on account of cement plants or thermal plants. It is an additional expenditure, I mean additional expenses incurred on clothing, rent and food, shelter, etc. It is a part of expenditure or cost, additional cost of a company. So it is comes under I mean behalf of the community, company has to take or paid social, I mean expenses or cost. It's shown under social cost to the community. Here only one item is there, I mean in the question. So here A, here B, total B. In these A and B, whichever is higher, A is higher than B. So 1,45,000 minus 10,000, the balance will be net social benefits to the community. A minus B. A minus B. A minus B. So net social benefits. Benefits is higher than cost. So that's why 1,35,000 we shall call it net social benefits to community. Next, after finding net social benefits to the community, I mean Roman number 2 I have completed. I mean I have been solving step by step. So look at the third point, social benefits and cost to the general public, ORR public. So first under this case, the social benefits to the public. So when it comes to public, there are two types of social benefits. I mean taxes, duties paid to the central government or state government. Here only taxes and duties etc. paid to the central government was 43,000. Only one social benefits to the public is there. So in the questions, this one only one item is appeared. So total will be 43,000. Next, under Roman number 3rd B, social cost to the public. So what are the social cost to the public? Example state service, example electricity service. In case central government service, telephone and postal charges. Only two social cost to the public are given in the question paper. I have shown under social cost to the public 75,000 and 40,000. Then make these totals 1,15,000. So here A is less than B. I mean B is more than A. So look at this, total B 1,15,000. 1,15,000 is higher than 43,000. So B is more than A. It means social cost is higher than benefits. Net social cost. Why I have put social cost here? Because social cost is higher than social benefits. So here A minus B, 43,000 minus 1,15,000 minus 72. So here the balance doesn't come social benefits, net social benefits. Here social cost is higher than social benefits. That's why net social cost, I mean A minus B is minus 52 minus 72,000. Here unfavorable balance, I mean negative balance. So finally last one, net social income, Roman number 1 total, Roman number 2 total minus Roman number 3. So look at this, Roman number 1 total here. Roman number 1 total 1,55,000. Sorry. Yes. Here look at the Roman number 1 total 1,64,000. I have posted here 1,54,000. Here 1,64,000. Next 1,35,000. 1,35,000. Look at this. 1,35,000. So Roman number 2. So 1,35,000. These are favorable. I mean plus balance. I mean social benefits is more than cost. More than social cost. Here unfavorable balance comes under Roman number 3rd. Roman number 3rd minus 72,000 is there. 1,64,000 plus 1,35,000 minus 72,000. The total net social income was 2,27,000. This is the 10 marks and 50 marks question. Up to this, if you any queries or doubts regarding social accounting, I mean social income statement, these are the questions which are appeared in previous year question papers. Put me mail if you any doubts. akimaruthi@gmail.com, it's my email ID. So keep watching for upcoming videos. Comment and share if you like this presentation or this video. Who's yet not to subscribe to the YouTube channel, subscribe for upcoming videos. My dear friends, look at this whole presentation. So whole look, I mean what I have wrote on whiteboard, it's totally answer to that question. So better you people take down the whole presentation. In the video I will showing all board, I mean what I wrote on whiteboard, you can I am covering right now. I mean look at the presentation. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day. Goodbye and good luck. Doubts you can get back to me, or more clarifications if you need. Put a mail akimaruthi@gmail.com. Goodbye. Take care. Bye.